Welcome back to my channel. I have missed you guys. I know you guys have missed me too, but hey, I'm here. So today we are going to be giving tips on how you can survive a long road trip using a commercial transportation. Okay, now before we go on, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and tell everybody about my channel. It doesn't cost you anything. I keep saying this. It doesn't cost you anything. Just click, share, subscribe, like, just click. That's all. Guys, let's get tipsy. Okay, so tip number 1 will be the pack essentials. Pack everything that you think that you will be needing on this trip. So your headsets, your neck pillow, your charger, or your power bank. Of course, you can't have a charging spot on the bus or the car you'll be using. Your power bank, your blanket if you must. If you don't have a neck pillow and you want to take a pillow, it's okay. Just ensure that you have everything that you need at your disposal. Tip number 2 will be choose a very comfortable seat. It's a long trip. You don't want to be uncomfortable. Make sure that you get somewhere where you can stretch out your legs. I mean, there are some spaces on the bus or in the commercial vehicle that you will be using that might be very, very tiny leg rooms, that will have very tiny leg rooms. If you sit in the front, I can guarantee you a very, big leg room. So yes, choose a spot that you think will be very comfortable because it's going to be a very long trip. You don't want aches in your knees and Tip number 3 will be bring your entertainment. There are some commercial transportation that you take for a road trip, whether short or long, and that you get lovely seat partners, interesting seat partners, the one you can gist with for throughout the trip and all of that. But there are also some journeys that you go to and then everyone in the bus is like carrying face, like you're not even connecting to anybody. So in order to avoid this kind of things, what you need to do is get a lot of entertainment, a lot of things that can entertain you. If you need to download movies, go ahead and download the movies. If you need to download games, if that works for you, I mean, why not? Download the games that you can. Especially the ones that you don't have to be connected to the internet before you can play. If you want, you can make inquiries about your, transportation. Some transportations have Wi-Fi, but others don't. I mean, just know the kind of transportation they are taking. Some transportation might tell you that, we're in Africa, we're in Ghana, Nigeria, wherever. Some transportations will tell you that we provide Wi-Fi, and then you get on the bus and it's misbehaving and you cannot connect. Do you get it? So to be on the safe side, just download your movies, download the games that do not need internet access. Yeah? Okay. Let's go on to the next. Number 4, prepare for every kind of delay. Any kind of delay. I went on a trip that was supposed to take about 12 hours. It took almost 24 hours. Now, in this situation, I didn't think that I would be on the road for about 24 hours. Now, I had my snacks, I had my power bank, I had water, like I really packed. So, you might not think you would, experience any kind of delay. But at the end of the day, it's a trip, it's a road trip. You're not the one driving. You don't own the car, you don't know what can happen. So, yes, prepare for any kind of delay. If it means packing food, you think you'll be hungry, pack your food. If you can pack food, you can pack snacks, pies, biscuits. I'm very big on biscuits. Just munch on it and you're good. You have your water, you have your drink. As much as you can, avoid drinking too much water. I'm not saying don't drink water. Avoid drinking too much water so that you don't get to every point, I want to pee out. Okay, so on to the next tip number 5. that will be respect fellow passengers on the car, on the bus, on the car, in the car. If you get on the bus and you observe that you're not connecting with anybody, I don't see a reason why you would want to watch a movie and decide that, okay, I want to make noise to disturb my fellow passengers. They might be, some might want to sleep, some might be listening to other things, and then you decide that, okay, this is the time that I'm going to increase the volume of my blah 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 because I did not park airports. Please respect everybody. Also, don't say that because you're not traveling, you decided that it's a very long trip, you decided that you don't want to bath. I mean, if you don't want to bath, it's not a problem, don't bath, but please make sure you're not smelling. Make sure everything is, just make sure that everywhere in Jaffe like everything is neat and all smells good. If you must use deodorant, polish on dirt, I don't care, but just make sure that you're not inconveniencing other passengers. Do you get it? Spray all the perfumes in the world. So I mean, just make sure you're smelling nice. Make sure you have your AirPods. Thank you. On to the next tip, and the number 6 will be stay organized. Stay very organized. Let every of your items be at your disposal, reachable. Not one is here, that one is there in the boot, and just ensure that whatever it is, if you're picking maybe a phone or an AirPod and you don't want to use it again, put it back where you can easily access it, where you can easily reach it. Your water, your snacks is in a particular place where it is easily accessible, so that you do not inconvenience anyone, you do not inconvenience the driver or the person sitting by you. So one final bonus tip, guys, please, when you are on the bus, try as much as possible to keep to yourself. Not everybody wants to, feel your skin on their skin. Stay on your lane, do your day. That's why I said you should get a neck pillow. If you want to sleep, if I'm on a bus and you sleep and doze on top of me, I no go gree. So please get your neck pillow. Get your neck pillow. If you need to sleep, control your neck. Get your spots. Don't doze off and sleep on somebody else, or in the process of wanting to pick one thing or another, you are using your skin to rub one person on the guys, please, let's be civilized. I hope that we have benefited and enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. It not dey cost anything. It doesn't cost anything. Just subscribe. Please, and share with friends, families, loved ones, even your enemies. Please. See you guys in my next video.